Hey, hi guys, welcome back again to another unboxing video of Apple iWatch. This is reviewer Baba back again. So this is the Apple Watch that I just bought. I think it's bought some time back. It's what called Series 7 green aluminum case, gloves print. So I'm just going through the unboxing for it. So we'll open this up. We'll open this up and then we'll open like this and then we'll open this up. So here it is. Also here it is, it has this cover, sorry, the band, and here is the watch itself. I'm not sure it is still sealed or yeah, here it is. So tear this apart. This is the first one and this is the second one. Okay, I'll put them here and then we'll turn this on. Hope so it comes out. It's not coming out. Come on. Okay, here it is. This is the box. I'll keep it here, and this is the watch itself. This is how the watch looks. So nothing much. This is just a charging cable, and now this is the watch itself. So keep it here, and this is the watch. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Take it out. Take it out. I don't want to tear it up. Okay, yeah. So I just push it up from here. This is good production. Wow, this looks clean and tidy. As you can see, it's very shiny. This is the watch. Looks pretty good. Wow. So I'll keep it here and let me open the band for you guys. So that again, same thing for the band. You will have to tear this up one, and once you do that,